Representing the CPM in Kerala, he was not in the track of CPM or party in many issues. He fought for the environmental issues, the land problems, and problems which he had a conviction. So he walked on a separate path. He created a separate path. He walked on that. And in some cases, when he was a Chief Minister, we the opposition raised many issues in Kerala. In some of the issues, he had a conviction that it is true that the opposition raised the issues the opposition raised. So I had taken some action in favor of our demand. So he is a different communist person, and he has been struggling at the initial stage before independence, and at the fag end of his life also he was struggling with the party also. Anyway, he created a separate chapter in the history of Kerala.